Sometimes you may want to revert a driver back to the previous one. It's actually easier than you think. The most common reason to use the rollback driver feature in Windows is to reverse a driver update that didn't go so well. Maybe the problem that the driver update was supposed to fix didn't get fixed, or perhaps the update caused another issue. No matter what driver you need to roll back, the process is the same. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the X key, and click on Device Manager. Now locate the device that you want to roll back the driver for, and right-click on it. Then click on Properties. In the Properties window, open the Driver tab, and click the Rollback Driver button. Click Yes, and the previously installed driver will now be restored. After the rollback is completed, you should see the Rollback Driver button become disabled. However, if by chance the Rollback Driver button is initially disabled, then unfortunately Windows does not have a previous driver available. Once the driver has been successfully rolled back, close the device properties screen, and if prompted, restart your system, as not all driver rollbacks require this. Next time Windows starts again, it will load with the device driver for the piece of hardware with the driver previously installed. Whenever you need help or have questions, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.